Bubbles and Squeak wanted a croissant for breakfast. Simple, right? But they refused to buy a single thing, so they read the recipe. Flour, butter, salt, sugar, yeast, an egg, and they realized every single one is a farm. First the flour, so they grew a whole field of wheat, waited for 3 rare dry Welsh days to harvest it, threshed it, winnowed it, and ground it in a little stone mill. Butter meant a cow, but cows get lonely, so they got 4, a proper little herd, a couple of acres each, tons of winter hay, and a whole lot of early morning milking. Skim the cream, churn till it breaks, butter. Salt? That one was easy. They took a big pan down to the Welsh Sea and boiled it right down to crystals. Sugar from a bed of beet, yeast caught from the air, eggs from a flock of 6 hens, plus a rooster, so there are chicks too. And water? Well, it's Wales. And after a field, 2 cows, a flock of hens, and a trip to the sea, breakfast was served. Turns out one little croissant is a whole entire farm. Fuel your curiosity. This has been Bubbles and Squeak.